Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do price prediction of Okomi OMI token, and I will tell you how much Okomi token can give you profit and how much Okomi token can go high, and what are the targets and what is the main target of 2021. I am going to tell you all of these things. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description, and if you want to learn technical analysis then please contact me on my Telegram, and if you want to join my VIP signal channel of Telegram then please contact me on my Telegram. Links are in this video's description. Let's dive into the content, and let me please show you why I am thinking that Okomi can give you 10x, maybe 20x in this year, and why I am so bullish on the Okomi token. Let me please show you. This is CoinGecko page of Okomi OMI token, and it is non-fungible token, NFT token. Current rank of Okomi is 120. Current price of the Okomi is 0.0053261. Actually, Okomi is very undervalued coin token, and I think price of the Okomi will boost, and it is not listed on any big exchange, and it is a good token and currently having a good hype, and most of the people trust on this project. That is why I am making this video. Current rank of the Okomi is 120. Market cap of Okomi is $897 million. 24-hour trading volume of Okomi is $10.8 million. Circulating supply of Okomi is 750 billion, which is very good. The maximum supply of Okomi is 750 billion, and circulating supply of Okomi is 169 billion. Let me please show you some statistics and the website of this token, and let me please show you some price and market stat of this token. In 30 days, it is price decrease 33%. In 1 year, price increases 19,819% in just 1 year. Okomi ROI return on investment is 821%, which is very good. Okomi rank is 120, and all-time high of Okomi was on March 19, 2021, about 2 months ago, and the price was $0.013. All-time low of the Okomi was on November 4, 2019, about 1 year ago, and price was $0.0000337. And after that, here you can see how Okomi token gives profit to its holders. It is currently available on Gate.io, Bitforex, and BitMEX, and some other exchanges, but it is not listed any big exchange, and I think this is the main reason, and I think the price of the Okomi will boost. I will show you how. This is the Okomi Max graph of Okomi OMI token, and here you can see on Wednesday 5 June 2019 the price of Okomi was 0.00006732, and here you can see no changes in price, just small changes, and after that here you can see at 8 February 2021 the price of Okomi was 0.00007160, and after that here you can see how bullish Okomi is and after hitting $0.01309, Okomi is at best buying zone, which is at $0.00538. I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. Please do your own research before buying this token, and I am just sharing my knowledge with all of you. It is very available at very low price, and price declines 60% and price decreases 60.70%. That is why I think this is the best time to buy Okomi token, because this is the year of NFT, and most of the audience thinks that Okomi token will boost and price of the Okomi token to the moon, and I think so. Let me please show you some other statistics. This is the token metrics Okomi page, and here you can see market cap of Okomi is 896 million. Circulating supply of Akami is 170 billion. Total supply of Akami is 750 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Akami is 11 million. Currently, it is available on Gate.io, Bit4X, and BitMEX. Current rank is 121, and this is the website. Let me please show you the website. This is the Akami website, and here you can see this is the app of the Akami token. Akami token. VV is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. With VV, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in virtual showrooms, as well as buy. Actually, in this app, VV app, you can buy NFT and you can sell your NFT, and you can create, after creating your NFT, you can buy, you can sell your NFT on this app, and this is the marketplace for the NFTs, and where you can buy NFT of your choices. And this is a very good app, and this is the website. Here you can see this is the wallet of this app, and this is the Akami's website. Let me please show you the token metrics page. Here you can see on February 25, Akami price was 0.0061, and after that it hits 0.013 on March 18, and after that it is in consolidation phase and price decreases. And here you can see it is the indicator that showing bearish sign. It is showing that price of the Akami will go down, and here you can see how beautifully price of the Akami goes down. And let me please show you some other statistics. Let me please show you the price prediction of the Akami, and after that I will tell you what is the my price prediction for the Akami. Here you can see this red line is the actual price, and this blue line is the prediction price. And here you can see prediction price crosses actual price line towards upside. It means price of the Akami will up now, will definitely going to up now. And after that, here you can see this is clearly indicating that price of the Akami will go to 0.00713 or maybe high. And here you can see how beautifully this indicates, and this is the price prediction and price history of the Akami. And this red line is the actual line, line and actual price line, and this blue line is the predicted price lines. And it is showing that here you can see at that point it is showing that the price of the Akami will go up, and I think it have to go up. Let me please show you some other information of the Akami. Akami map is neutral. Monthly technical analysis legend. If it is between 90 and 100%, that means it is very bullish. If it is between 18 and 90%, that means bullish. And if it in between 70 to 80%, that means neutral. And here you can see Akami is neutral, and price, I think price of the Akami will go up and will hit my targets. Currently, I think Akami definitely have to hit 10x, maybe 20x in coming days, because of the economy demand, and most of the people like Akami token, and most of the people are interested in buying NFT tokens. That is why I think so Akami have to hit 10x, maybe 20x in this year. And I think there is no chart, no big chart available on TradingView. And my prediction for the Akami is that minimum 10x this token can give you in this year 2021. And if you want to do any coins technical analysis from me, then please comment these coins on this video's comment section, and I will make definitely video on these coins, and I will make on videos on these coins. Please thumbs up the like button and please keep supporting me. And I'm very sure Economy have to hit my targets, and I think this is a good token. Here you can see Economy shows social media, 83,000 followers on Twitter, 35,000 followers on Telegram, and some other stuff. Here you can see Economy is a good project, and that is why I think so it is time to buy Economy. And if you want to buy this, then please do your own research before buying this token. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me. Take care.